Hello, I'm Stefan from Xtreme Group here at IBC 2022 together with Ikuyo that very moment from Capella Systems. Ikuyo, could you please introduce us a little bit into Capella Systems?
Yeah. So Capella Systems are based in San Jose, California. We're a software company. We offer VOD transcoding software as well as software-based live encoder.
And what are the main products and services that you are offering to the industry?
So there are two. One is offline transcoder. It's a universal transcoding software that can take various file formats and transcode to various file formats. The other one is Cambria Live Series, which is also software-based. That is a live encoder mainly used for enterprise-level customers.
Ikuyo, observing the market and being here on the show, what do you think are the trending topics for this year in the transcoding space?
I think definitely for transcoding space, there's like more and more media contents that are available that needs to be processed. So definitely the throughput is one big topic. How can we transcode more contents in more efficient manner while maintaining a high video quality? The other one is usage of cloud. Like how do we move some of the processing into the cloud and utilizing both on-premise machines as well as cloud machines.
And how do you address that topics? What are the news? What is brand new from the Capella portfolio?
So we are very excited to announce for version 5.0 we support GPU. For the Cambria FTC for transcoding, we support GPU for HEVC encoding so we can get much more throughput. For Cambria Live, we support GPU for both H.264 as well as HEVC encoding. So now HEVC encoding in real time is possible. Actually, for VOD transcoding, it's actually much faster than real time. It also now runs both Cambria FTC and Live. They both run on Linux. So that brings down the cost of running our applications in the cloud much lower. We also have a hybrid load balancing capabilities for Cambria FTC where you could have on-premise local machines doing transcoding, but when it reaches certain capacity, we can kick off machines in the cloud. So it kind of gives you best of both worlds by coming up with a system to support hybrid load balancing. So those are the two ways we're addressing those points.
So it's improving and scaling. And what about codecs? What do you see is coming up? What are not only scientific developments, but really in use for customers?
So now I see more and more customers using HEVC for 2K, 4K encoding. We definitely see more customers getting into Dolby Vision for audio. We see more customers using Dolby Atmos. So as more media contents available in higher resolution 2K, 4K, we are definitely starting to see those codecs being more deployed in the real workflow.
And when we think about like AV1, FFV1, H.266, what about that? Still future topics or in use today already?
I think I could definitely see AV1 being more used, designed for more OTT, like live streaming file formats. I think it might take a little bit more time for it to become mainstream. H.266, I think it's still definitely more like a science topic. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Now, when we think about monetization of content, I know that you have also features within your products that help that. Could you explain a little bit more in detail, especially how the various products in the product line interact with each other?
Yeah. So we support ad insertion for both Cambria FTC VOD transcoding as well as live encoding. For live encoding, all our customers' monetization is topic. So how do we stream and make money off of it? We make it easy for them. So we can listen to, for example, Scotty 104 in SDI, and we can convert it into Scotty 35 for the output. So that works with various SSAI platforms. We work closely with SSAI partners like YoSpace, Brightcove, as well as AWS. We can also listen to different types of ad Q-tones. So not just the Scotty 104, but we can listen to on-off Q-tone signals and convert it into Scotty 35. We also have a Cambria Live ad break controller that allows users to manually insert ad insertion points and convert it into Scotty 35. for the Cambria FTC, we just put it in a new filter called markers. So based on the time code information as to where the add insertion should be, we can convert that information into SCOTI 35. So we address that add insertion topic in both Cambria FTC and Cambria Live.
Ikuyo, have many thanks for all these insights. And if you are interested in having in more details, if you have a project, a need for renewing your transcoding to move on to the next generation transcoder, please make your way to our website x-dream-group.com. There you will find whatever you need.